What if you could turn a simple kids video idea into an entire content production workflow, without spending hours jumping between AI tools? That's the promise behind VidNexus AI. But here's the part that matters. Is it actually a smart shortcut for faceless creators, or is it just another AI platform with an impressive sales page? Let's find out. Quick disclosure. This is an affiliate review, which means I may earn a commission if you purchase through my link. That doesn't affect my evaluation, and I'll point out where you should be cautious. So, what exactly is VidNexus AI? According to its current sales page, VidNexus is designed to help create faceless kids content, including animated stories, nursery rhymes, educational videos, bedtime content, baby podcasts, and longer-form kids videos. And that niche-specific focus is important. VidNexus isn't simply trying to be another generic AI video generator. The bigger idea is to simplify the production process. You start with an idea, and the platform claims it can help generate the script, characters, scenes, voiceovers, music, sound effects, captions, and finished video. Normally, you might use one tool for writing, another for voices, another for visuals, and an editor to put everything together. VidNexus is trying to bring more of those steps into one workflow. And that's important because creating one video isn't usually the hardest part. Creating content consistently is. If every video requires several different tools and repetitive editing, production quickly becomes the bottleneck. A centralized workflow could potentially make it easier to turn ideas into repeatable content. There's also a commercial use angle. According to the offer, users can create content for clients. That means freelancers and agencies could potentially use the platform for kids, educational, or narrated video projects instead of limiting it to their own YouTube channel. But don't confuse a production tool with a business model. The sales page makes ambitious income claims, but those should be treated as marketing claims, not guaranteed results. VidNexus can't guarantee views, subscribers, clients, or revenue. You still need good content, strong topics, marketing, and quality control. And because this is kids content, AI-generated videos should be reviewed before publishing. Check the story, visuals, characters, narration, music, and overall quality. So the right way to look at VidNexus isn't, type one sentence and money comes out. It's, can this reduce enough production work for me to create better content more consistently? Now let's look at what the platform claims to include. The current sales page advertises more than 200 characters, hundreds of AI voices, support for over 60 languages, multiple formats, captions, music, sound effects, and longer animated content. Those features could be useful if you're serious about producing this type of content repeatedly. But more features don't automatically mean better results. If you're only making occasional videos, you may not need an all-in-one platform. VidNexus makes more sense when your strategy specifically involves faceless kids content, animated stories, educational videos, or client projects. The current sales page is also advertising a low one-time launch price, bonuses, and a money-back guarantee. Pricing and bonuses can change, so verify the live offer before purchasing. So, my final verdict. VidNexus AI is interesting because it's trying to solve more than just video generation. It's trying to reduce the overall production workload. If your biggest bottleneck is the time and complexity involved in creating faceless kids content consistently, that's a legitimate reason to take a closer look. But don't buy it because of income claims, and don't expect automatic YouTube success. Buy it only if the workflow matches what you're actually trying to build. I've put the current offer link in the description. Before purchasing, check the current price, features, bonuses, license, and refund terms on the official offer page. Because the smartest AI tool isn't the one with the biggest promises. It's the one that removes the biggest bottleneck from your actual workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.